Hi dears, ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് ട്രേസർ ഓവർസിയർ എക്സാമിന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ടുള്ള 100 ഒബ്ജക്റ്റീവ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ്. കേരള പി എസ് സിയുടെ ട്രേസർ ഓവർസിയർ എക്സാംസിന് ചോദിച്ചിട്ടുള്ള പ്രീവിയസ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ് നമ്മളിന്നിവിടെ 100 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആയിട്ട് സെലക്ട് ചെയ്ത് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആൻസർ സെക്ഷനിലോട്ട് പോകാം. ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, ദ കോമൺലി യൂസ്ഡ് ലൈൻ ഇൻ വൈറ്റ് വാഷിംഗ് ഈസ് ഓപ്ഷൻസ്: white line, flat line, hydraulic line, quick line. Answer option B, flat line. Next question, bulking of sand is caused due to options: surface moisture, air voids, viscosity, clay contents. Answer option A, surface moisture. Next question, a badly mixed cement concrete results in options: segregation, bleeding, honeycombing, none of these. Answer option C, honeycombing. Next question, veneering means options: carving out designs on timber planks, chemically treating timber planks, thick layer of superior wood glued to inferior wood, thin layer of superior wood glued to inferior wood. Answer option D, thin layer of superior wood glued to inferior wood. Next question, the pigment used in paints for corrosive resistance is options: white lead, ferrous oxide, zinc white, reed lead. Answer option D, reed lead. Next question, for the construction of flyovers in sandy soils, the type of foundation provided: options: strap footing, raft footing, combined footing, pier footing. Answer option D, pier footing. Next question, the header bond is generally used for half brick wall, simple brick wall, 1.5 brick wall, arches. A header bond is generally used for. Answer option D, arches. Next question, the type of stone masonry in which stones of the same height are laid in layers is called options: random rubble masonry, coarse rubble masonry, uncoarse rubble masonry, ashlar masonry. Answer option B, coarse rubble masonry. Next question, the window which projects outside a room of a building for admitting more light and air is known as options: bay window, casement window, lantern window, dormer window. Answer option A, bay window. Next question, a pointed arch which forms isosceles or equilateral triangle is generally known as options: three-centered arch, two-centered arch, lancet arch, bull's eye arch. Answer option C, lancet arch. Next question, the member which is placed horizontally to support common rafter of a sloping roof is options: purling, cleat, batten, strut. Answer option A, purling. Next question, while designing a stair, the product of rise and goes is approximately kept equal to options: 350, 420, 450, 500. Answer option B, 420. Next question, in a chain surveying, well-conditioned triangle means all the angles less than 50 degree and greater than 90 degree, all the angles are greater than 90 degree and less than 120 degree, all the angles are greater than 45 degree and less than 90 degree, none of these. Answer option B, all the angles are greater than 30 degree and less than 120 degree. Next question, the reduced bearing of a line is north 87 degree west, its whole circle bearing is options: 87 degree, 273 degree, 93 degree, 3 degree. Answer option B 273 degree. Next question, setting up a plane table at any station. Options, leveling is done first, centering is done first, both leveling and centering are done simultaneously, orientation is done first. Answer option C, both leveling and centering are done simultaneously. Next question, relatively fixed point of non-elevation is called. Options, benchmark, datum point, reduced level, reference point. Answer option A, benchmark. Next question, the property of fluids to change the volume under an external pressure is. Options, plasticity, viscosity, compressibility, none of the above. Answer option C, compressibility. Next question, chemical coagulation of drinking water is done. Options, to settle suspended materials, to increase rate of settlement of suspended materials, to remove the bacteria, none of the above. Answer option B, to increase rate of settlement of suspended materials. Next question, when a canal is carried over a natural drainage, the structure provided is known as. Options, siphon, aqueduct, super passage, siphon, aqueduct. Answer option B, aqueduct. Next question, sharp crested weirs are generally used. Options, for large flows, for small flows, for streams carrying high sediment loads, for rivers carrying floating debris. Answer option A, for large flows. Next question, for nominal mixed concrete M20, the required quantity of water for 50 kg of cement is. Options, 60 liters, 45 liters, 34 liters, 30 liters. Answer option D, 30 liters. Next question, for a bag of cement 50 kg, usually the quantity of water required is. Options, 16.5 liters, 18.5 liters, 20.5 liters, 22.5 liters. Answer option D, 22.5 liters. Next question, to transfer the true or relative dimensions of an object to the drawing is used. Options, compass, divider, scale, t-square. Answer option B, divider. Next question, lines drawn to represent visible edges are called. Options, dashed lines, dimension lines, center lines, outlines. Answer option D, outlines. Next question, to represent 2 units of measurement, dash scale is used. Options, diagonal scale, plane scale, scale of chords, none of these. Answer option B, plane scale. Next question, isometric projection of an object is. Options, orthographic projection, pictorial projection, cavalier projection, cabinet projection. Answer option B, pictorial projection. Next question, in third angle projection, the plan of an object is drawn. Options, below elevation, top of elevation, side of elevation, none of these. Answer option B, top of elevation. Next question, the elevation of a cylinder whose axis is parallel to vertical plane and perpendicular to horizontal plane is. Options, circle, rectangle, triangle, acute angle. Answer option B, rectangle. Next question, the elevation of a line parallel to vertical plane and inclined to horizontal plane. Options, horizontal line, vertical line, inclined line, none of these. Answer option C, inclined line. Next question, in orthographic projection, the top view of a prism is 1-dimensional, 2-dimensional, 3-dimensional, 4-dimensional. Answer option B, two-dimensional. Next question. In orthographic projection, the principal planes, that is horizontal plane or vertical plane, are options: parallel to each other, perpendicular to each other, inclined to each other, none of these. Answer option B, perpendicular to each other. Next question. In orthographic projection, the horizontal plane is rotating dash degree in clockwise direction to get a plan and elevation in one surface. Options: 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree. Answer option C, 90 degree. Next question. Projections are dash to each other in orthographic projection. Options: parallel, perpendicular, inclined, conical to each other. Answer option A, parallel. Next question. Engineer's drawing is the language of options: doctors, engineers, farmers, none of these. Answer option B, engineers. Next question. If straight lines are drawn from various points on the contour of an object to meet plane, the object is said to be projected on that. Options: line, lane, plane, plan. Answer option C, plane. Next question. Straight line may be defined as the dash of a point moving linearly. Options: focus, locus, cocus, none of these. Answer option B, locus. Next question. Right solid is a solid whose axis is dash to its base. Options: horizontal, parallel, inclined, perpendicular. Answer option D, perpendicular. Next question. The development of the surface of a cube consists of dash equal squares. Options: 4, 6, 8, 12. Answer option B, 6. Next question. The solid which has 4 equal faces each an equilateral triangle is. Options: hexahedron, tetrahedron, octahedron, decahedron. Answer option B, tetrahedron. Next question. The solid generated by the revolution of a right angled triangle about one of its perpendicular sides which is fixed. Options: A right circular cone, a right circular cylinder, a sphere, none of these. Answer option A right circular cone. Next question. The development of the surface of a pyramid consists of a number of equal triangles in contact. Options: equilateral triangle, right angle triangle, isosceles triangle, scalene triangle. Answer option C, isosceles triangle. Next question. The development of the curved surface of a cone is a dash of a circle. Options: diameter, circumference, sector, chord. Answer option C, sector. Next question. Full form of CAD. Options: computer aided drafting, computer aided design, computer aided demonstration, computer aided dimensioning. Answer option B, computer aided design. Next question. The file extension of a drawing template is. Options: .dwg, .dxf, .dws, .dwf. Answer option D, .dwf. Next question. Shortcut key of single line text is DT, MT, ST, T. Answer option A, DT. Next question. F9 is the shortcut key of options: ortho, snap, OSNAP, polar. Answer option B, snap. Next question. Maximum length of a construction line is? Options: based on drawing sheet size, based on grid space, no limit, 10 raised to 6 centimeter. Answer option C, no limit. Next question. Which of the following memory is a small, fast acting buffer memory between processor and the main memory? Options: internal memory, cache memory, secondary memory, external memory. Answer option B, cache memory. Next question. The ALU and the control unit together called as? Options: CPU, memory, both A and B, none of the above. Answer option A, CPU. Next question. Shortcut key for closing a window is? Options: Control plus C, Alt plus F4, Control plus V, Alt plus F5. Answer option B, Alt plus F4. Next question. Restoring deleted files from the recycle bin can be done by using dash command. Options: undo, redo, restore, delete. Answer option C, restore. Next question. Floppy disk, hard disk, CD-ROM and flash disk are examples of? Options: secondary memory, main memory, internal memory, primary memory. Answer option A, secondary memory. Next question. Area is expressed in dash unit. Options: square units, cubic units, liters, gallons. Answer option A, square units. Next question. Sine 90 degree equal to? Options: 0, 1, root 3 by 2, 1 by 2. Answer option B, 1. Next question. Area of a circle whose radius is r is given by? Options: 4 by 3 pi r cube, 3 by 4 pi r cube, 2 pi r, pi r square. Answer option D, pi r square. Next question. 1 kilowatt equal to dash watts. Options: 10 raised to 3, 10 raised to 2, 1 by 10 raised to 4, 10 raised to 4. Answer option A, 10 raised to 3. Next question. The actual power generated in the engine cylinder is called? Options: brake horsepower, mechanical power, indicated horsepower, electrical power. Answer option C, IHP, indicated horsepower. Next question. 1 joule equal to dash ergs. Options: 10 raised to 7, 10 raised to 5, 10 raised to 3, 10 raised to 2. Answer option A, 10 raised to 7. Next question. Energy possessed by a body by virtue of its position is called? Options: kinetic energy, mechanical energy, potential energy, chemical energy. Answer option C, potential energy. Next question. Volume of a bucket is given by? Options: 4 by 3 pi r cube, pi r square h, pi h into r square minus r square, none of these. Answer option D, none of these. Next question. When two forces are inclined with each other at an angle, resultant is given by? Options: law of parallelogram of forces, triangle law of forces, Lami's theorem, none of these. Answer option A, law of parallelogram of forces. Next question. A force of P kilogram makes an angle theta with the horizontal, then the magnitude of horizontal component is? Options: P sin theta, P tan theta, P cosec theta, P cos theta. Answer option D, P cos theta. Next question states that within elastic limits, stress in a material is directly proportional to strain. Options: Hooke's law, Charles' law, Boyle's law, Newton's law. Answer option A, Hooke's law. Next question. 1 plus tan square theta equal to? Options: sin theta, cos theta, sec square theta, cosec square theta. Answer option C, sec square theta. Next question. The internal opposite force acting per unit area is called? Options: strain, equilibrium, stress, resultant. Answer option C, stress. Next question. The center of gravity of triangle lamina is at its? Options: centroid, sides, vertices, none of these. Answer option A, centroid. Next question. If sin theta equal to 3 by 5, then cos theta. Options: 5 by 3, 4 by 3, 3 by 4, none of these. Answer option D, none of these. Next question. Area of an equilateral triangle is? Options: root 3 by 4 s square, b by root 4 into 4a minus b, 1 by 2 a plus b, h by 2 b1 plus b2. Answer option A, root 3 by 4s. Next question. Volume of pyramid is? Options: 1 by 3 h, ah, ph, 2h into 1 plus b. Answer 1 by 3 ah. Next question. The moment of inertia of a circular section of diameter d is given by the relation. Options: pi by 16 d raised to 4, pi by 32 d raised to 4, pi by 64 d raised to 4, pi by 96 d raised to 4. Answer option C, pi by 64 d raised to 4. Next question. When a shear force at a point is 0, then bending moment at that point will be? Options: 0, minimum, maximum, infinity. Answer option C, maximum. Next question. If a cantilever beam is subjected to a point load at its free end, then the shear force under the point load is? Options: 0, less than the load, more than the load, equal to the load. Answer option D, equal to the load. Next question. In two-stroke engine, we get one power stroke in? Options: 2 revolution of crankshaft, every revolution of crankshaft, each piston strokes, none of these. Answer option B, every rotation of crankshaft. Next question. In petrol engine, suction stroke dash is sucked inside the cylinders. Options: pure air only, air fuel mixture, fuel only, none of these. Answer option B, air fuel mixture. Next question. Compression ratio of 4-stroke engine is? Options: fuel tank volume and clearance volume, total cylinder volume and clearance volume, crankcase volume and cylinder volume, none of these. Answer option B, total cylinder volume and clearance volume. Next question. Thermostat valve is used in automobile engine to? Options: increase the volumetric efficiency, reduce friction, maintain the workability temperature, reduce sound. Answer option C, maintain the workability temperature. Next question. Gudgeon pin is used? Options: to connect crankshaft and camshaft, to connect main axle and stub axle, to connect piston and connecting rod, to connect propeller shaft and universal joint. Answer option C, to connect piston and connecting rod. Next question. Pump is a machine that is used for increasing dash of liquid. Options: pressure energy, kinetic energy, potential energy, heat energy. Answer option A, pressure energy. Next question. In a reciprocating pump, the rotary motion of the crank converts into dash motion of the plunger. Options: circular motion, oscillating motion, reciprocating motion, none of these. Answer option C, reciprocating motion. Next question. Essential part of a centrifugal pump is? Options: foot valve, casing, primary valve, impeller. Answer option D, impeller. Next question. In a belt drive, when the arc of contact increases, dash increases. Options: creep, slip, slack, tension. Answer option D, tension. Next question. When the power has to be transmitted for a longer distance, dash drive is preferred. Options: gear drive, chain drive, belt drive, none of these. Answer option C, belt drive. Next question. Dash material used to make belts. Options: zinc, cast iron, rubber, copper. Answer option C, rubber. Next question. Screwed fastenings are coming under options: temporary fastening, semi-permanent fastening, permanent fastening, loose fastening. Answer option A, temporary fastening. Next question. The included angle of isometric thread is options: 47 degree, 29 degree, 60 degree and 55 degree. Answer option C, 60 degree. Next question. A regular polygon having 10 equal sides is called options: pentagon, hexagon, octagon, decagon. Answer option D, decagon. Next question. The type of thread used for acetylene pressure regulator is options: LH thread, RH thread, single start thread, double start thread. Answer option A, LH thread. Next question. In a triple start thread lead equal to dash into pitch. Options: 0.5, 1/3, 3, 1. Answer option C, 3. Next question. In a screw jack, dash threads are used. Options: square, acme, metric, Whitworth. Answer option A, square. Next question. Dash used to support a rotating shaft. Options: couplings, bearings, gears, hangers. Answer option B, bearings. Next question. Friction is minimum in dash bearings. Options: pedestal, bushed, roller, ball. Answer option D, ball. Next question. Inner part of an external thread is called options: root, crest, plank, angle. Answer option A, root. Next question. To prevent leakage of liquid through rivet holes, process is made dash: caulking and fullering, chamfering of plates, pressing of plates, sealing between plate and rivets. Answer option A, caulking and fullering. Next question. Tearing between rivets may occur due to options: when the rivet holes are nearer to the edge, when the rivet diameter is more, when the diameter of hole is more, when rivet holes are closer to each other. Answer option D, when rivet holes are closer to each other. Next question. In refrigerators and condensers, dash pipes are mostly used. Options: copper, aluminum, lead, plastic. Answer option A, copper. Next question. Glued joints are used to connect dash pipes. Options: cast iron, copper, aluminum, plastic. Answer option D, plastic. Next question. To make the drawing of a big machines and buildings, dash scales are used. Options: enlarged, reduced, diagonal, full. Answer option B, reduced. Next question. Marble is an example of dash rock. Options: volcanic rock, calcareous rock, metamorphic rocks, siliceous rock. Answer option C, metamorphic rocks. Next question. The standard size of masonry brick is 18 into 8 into 8 centimeter, 19 into 9 into 9 centimeter, 20 into 10 into 10 centimeter, 21 into 11 into 11 centimeter. Answer option B, 19 into 9 into 9 centimeter. Next question. To retard the initial setting time of cement, the compound responsible is options: tricalcium silicate, gypsum, dicalcium silicate, tricalcium aluminate. Answer option B, gypsum. Thank you all.